The accident occurred when a bike was heading towards Bokajan and a truck advancing from Dimapur met at a head-on collision near Notun Bosti Tri-Junction road falling under the jurisdiction of Borpathar Police Station on 5th September. It was reported that a newly purchased bike with no bearing registration number plate yet was on its way to Bokajan, and at the same time a truck bearing registration number NL06A2952 was also advancing from Dimapur town when its tragic incident was encountered near Notun Bosti Tri-Junction, Bokajan. Two youths who were riding the bike was identified as Sonjoy Kiling and Bimol Terang, residents of Bornirja Langtuk Kiling village, had obtained critical injuries. Locals informed Borpathar police about the incident, and accordingly, police reached at the spot and took control over the matter. The critically injured victims were immediately taken to Bokajan Hospital for their further treatment. So far, no any loss of life had been reported. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live.